Hey everyone, Abby here from Simply Made Local, coming to you from one of my favorite places, our craft room. We have been so busy this holiday season bringing you step-by-step video tutorials on some of our favorite holiday crafts. We're also bringing you some amazing makers in our favorites article on the blog, and we've been doing some really great reviews lately, but I thought I would take a moment to stop and tell you about a great company that we found called Grow and Make. Grow and Make makes these DIY crafting boxes. They have different categories. They've got bath and body, home and decor, garden, and food and beverage. So a ton of kits. I think that there's something for everybody. Anyways, in these kits has everything that you will need to complete whatever project you choose. So I think that these would make great holiday gifts. Also, if you're looking to start maybe a new project, you're not quite sure if you would like to start something new, these are a great way. They have all your supplies in the box so you can try it out, and then if you think that you want to continue doing it, then you can either go onto the website, buy more supplies, or go out there and buy everything that you need and start a small business. Another great idea I had for these boxes is invite all your girlfriends over one night. Bust out the cocktails and everybody gets a box, and it's just a great way to come together, talk about your crafting styles, and everybody gets to go home with something. So I think overall these are great boxes. I'm really impressed with this company. They're very big on sustainability, making more of things that you consume. So from the get-go, you can see here they decorate their boxes beautifully so they would make a great gift. You can see what is going to be inside the box. On this box they've got calendula, grapefruit, lavender, and those are all of the flavors that you'll find in this particular box for the bath bomb kit. So if you've been following along, we've already done 2 reviews for Grow and Make. We reviewed the DIY Body Lotion and the DIY Sugar and Salt Exfoliating Scrub. You can find those on our channel as well. If you want to go back and take a look, I recommend that you do, because the body lotion is fantastic. I've been putting it on every day. My hands are super soft and the smell is incredible. We did lemon and lavender, and I'm telling you, the quality of essential oils in these kits is just really great. So you'll be impressed right when you open them up. Grow and Make, their employees package every single box by hand in their warehouse in Portland, Oregon, which is very impressive. So you know that you're going to get a quality product or gift when you purchase from Grow and Make. We have a code for you if you would like to purchase. You can get $5 off at checkout. Just put in try DIY, and I'll put that in the description box below, along with a link to Grow and Make. So I thought I would look in the box with you guys today. We'll go over this. I'll do a review, and then also I'm going to try out this project just to show you guys how simple and easy it is to make bath bombs with Grow and Make. So let's get started. Oh, very cool. So when you open the box, you get these really nicely decorated cards. I'm seeing here that one is the bath bomb recipe card, so that tells you exactly how to make each different flavor, if you will, of bath bombs. So this one comes with a rose and calendula, and the other side is lavender. So I'm guessing we're going to get 2 different scents with the essential oils. The other card here is your step-by-step instructions on how to make the bath bombs, and tips and tricks, and also your items list of everything that's in the box. So I like that you can see everything that you're getting right away on these beautiful cards. There are 3 different packages of petals. It looks like you get rose, lavender buds, and calendula petals. That is really a nice touch, finishing touch for the bath bombs to give it that luxurious look. Very impressed. We've got the molds for the bombs. You got some rubber bands, those go with the molds. We've got some almond oil here. It looks like colorant, so you get two different colors, purple and a beautiful yellow. Let's see, oh, these are the essential oils, so you get grapefruit and lavender. I love that. I'm just gonna smell lavender. That's my favorite essential oil. Oh, it smells so good. Incredible. Okay, you get citric acid, cornstarch. Oh, some pipettes. I know we're gonna need those later. Some baking soda and some Epsom salt. So that's it. That's everything that you need to make a bath bomb. I had no idea it was this simple, so I am really excited to dive right in and get started. So let's do it. Okay, today I think I'm gonna do the rose and calendula bath bomb. So it says we're gonna need all these supplies and 2 mixing bowls and a whisk. So let me get them out. I've got some supplies here and some water. So here's some water that I already got ready. And my mixing bowl. I'm gonna get out some scissors too, just in case. I need some. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, there's only 6 steps to make 6 amazing bath bombs. How easy is that? I need some easy in my life. So, combine all the dry ingredients in one bowl, all the wet ingredients in the other bowl, and mix it together. So let's get started with the rose and calendula recipe. We'll start with the dry ingredients first. So this box makes 2 different sets of 6 bath bombs. So I know that I can use measuring cups along with their recipe card, or since there's enough to make 12, 6 per recipe, I'm just gonna half every package. So it's easy, I don't even need to measure. So start out with baking soda. I'm gonna do half a cup here. I'm gonna do half of this package. And citric acid, cornstarch, and Epsom salt. Alright, got all those dry ingredients. I think that's it for the dry. I'm just going to give that a nice stir. Okay, so that's ready to go. Now I'm going to mix my wet ingredients, which is grapefruit essential oil. It says 5 to 10 drops. I'm going to go on 10 because I love the smell of grapefruit, especially in the morning. That just gets me absolutely up and going. Any citrus. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Wow. That smells so good. Okay, and a little bit of colorant. So I'm gonna make these a really nice yellow color. Just a couple drops, they say. There we go. Put that over here. Half a tablespoon of almond oil. That I will need a measuring cup. That's a measuring spoon. Let's see what we got here. Half a tablespoon. Okay. And 1 teaspoon of water. So I put all the wet ingredients here in this bowl. it up. Then it says slowly mix in the wet ingredients into the dry. If you start to see bubbling, add more liquid mixture. Oh, stop adding the liquid mixture. That's important. Okay, so here we go with this. I just want to see where I add these beautiful petals. Very exciting. So we just throw that into the dry. So I'm going to put in some calendula. I'm just going to put a couple because I think I'm going to put most of them in the mold when I get started with that. And I'm going to do some rose. The colors on this, that is so nice. I'm loving this. Okay, so I'm going to give this another quick mix. And then I'm going to slowly stir in my wet ingredients here. This would also be another, oh my gosh, that smell is great. This would also be a really good craft to do with kids. Just showing kids how things are made, I think just really opens up their little minds to bringing it back to people making things instead of just big companies with machines. So I think that's kind of neat. I know that we really focused on doing some Bath and Body products, but they do have a really great line of food and beverage. I saw some homemade cheeses that you can make, and also a kombucha kit, which I think would be pretty neat to try out myself at home here. Okay, so they say that you want this to be the consistency of sand, and I think we're just about there. Yeah, that looks about sandy to me. I really wish you guys could smell this right now because the grapefruit, wow, amazing. Okay, I'm just gonna make sure I really mixed everything up. Get down to the bottom here. Okay, so I think we're good. I'm going to start filling up the molds and using the rubber bands. And then once I put them in the molds, it says here, it says here to leave the bombs tightly bound together overnight. Or if you need to speed up the process, you can put them in the refrigerator for about an hour for them to set more quickly. So if I've got time, I'm gonna leave these overnight, but let's go ahead and put them into some molds and get them bound. I'm gonna get creative. I'm gonna put some petals here on the bottom of the mold, just so that you can really see that on display on the outside of the bomb. I think that would be neat. So yeah, I'll get some rose petals here on both sides. That would look pretty. And then I'm gonna do one with the calendula petals. And it's that easy, guys. I cannot believe it. It is so neat having all of the supplies ready to go. Saves time. So this kit says it makes 12 total, 6 per recipe. So I'm just going to finish up making all of these bombs so I can get them setting. And that's it. It's that simple. So I'm going to keep going and I'll meet you back here in just a couple minutes. Well, that's it. It was that simple. It was that easy to make at home, do-it-yourself bath bombs. So this box retails for $29.95, but don't forget to use our code at checkout, try DIY for $5 off. So thank you for checking out Grow and Make, and all of their amazing DIY crafting kits. So since I have you here, I wanted to talk to you guys about our new online hybrid craft marketplace launching soon. Be sure to go on simplymadelocal.com and subscribe to our newsletter, where you'll receive exclusive, up-to-date information regarding the launch and all of the information that you will need on subscribing to become one of our members. So we are bringing you a new craft marketplace where buyers and sellers can find quality handmade goods locally and support their local artists, and it's going to be amazing. So don't forget to subscribe. You're not going to want to miss out. Also, you can find us on Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram at Simply Made Local, where you can follow along on our amazing journey. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and give us a like, and we'll see you back real soon.